Very good morning. As you all know, in front of the country we have very important objectives of sustainability and decarbonization in line with the various COP26 objectives. Prime Minister Modi has given very challenging targets there, Panchamli. And if we have to achieve all those targets, then it means the auto industry has to reinvent itself. It has to transform itself. It has to make a lot of changes.
Practically, the whole year goes by to come to this day, because this is the day when we actually join hands with you in such a big forum. This is the forum where we invite you all to tell you what you have done well with us.
I've been involved with ASDC for many years. I've seen many presidents been there. A couple of them have been extremely good. And Mr. Agarwal comes in the same category of being extremely good with ASDC.